survival Korean phrases at a restaurant.
식당에서. 어서 오세요.
안녕하세요.
Today we are going to learn how to order at a restaurant in Korean. Let's listen to the conversation.
대화의 내용을 들어봐요.
Hello, how many in your party?
어서 오세요. 몇 분이세요?
We are two.
2명이에요.
Please have a seat wherever you want.
편한 곳에 앉으세요.
What do you want to eat?
뭐 먹고 싶어요?
Shall we eat pork belly?
우리 삼겹살 먹을까요?
Yes, shall we order?
네, 주문할까요?
Here, I would like to order.
여기요, 주문할게요.
Yes, may I take your order?
네, 주문하시겠어요?
Yes, may I take your order?
네, 뭐 드릴까요?
Please give me this.
이거 주세요.
How many servings would you like?
몇 인분 드릴까요?
3 servings, please.
3인분 주세요.
What about drinks?
음료수는요?
Please give me this.
이거 주세요.
Okay.
네, 알겠습니다.
Is it spicy? I can't eat spicy food.
이거 뭐, 저는 매운 음식을 못 먹어요.
It's a little spicy.
네, 조금 매워요.
It's spicy.
네, 많이 매워요.
It's not spicy.
아니요, 안 매워요.
Enjoy your meal.
맛있게 드세요.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
How can we eat this?
어떻게 먹어요?
Please give me this more.
이거 더 주세요.
Yes, I will give you more.
네, 더 드릴게요.
Where's the restroom?
화장실이 어디에 있어요?
It's over there.
저기에 있어요.
Bill, please.
계산서 주세요.
Important expressions and Korean restaurant culture.
중요한 표현들과 한국 식당 문화.
The most important expression is,
주세요.
it means, please give me. You can use it with a noun. For example, please give me some water.
물 주세요.
Please give me the menu.
메뉴판 주세요.
Please give me a bill.
계산서 주세요.
If you want to eat more side dishes,
이거 더 주세요.
you show them what you want to it like pictures and ask.
이거 더 주세요.
Even though you cannot read Korean well, no problem. We have this word.
이거,
Try to use your finger and use this sentence.
이거 주세요.
Please give me this.
이거 주세요.
Normally, Korean restaurants have a call bell on the table. It looks like this. You can see the picture. When you need something, you can use the bell. Don't be afraid of calling the servers. It's natural in Korea. You can wave your hand to call them. Here in Korean.
여기요.
Here.
여기요.
Here, I would like to order.
여기요. 주문할게요.
When you enter the restaurant, they will ask you how many in your party.
몇 분이세요? 몇 명이에요?
Depending on the number of people. Just one person.
한 명이에요.
We are two.
두 명이에요.
We are three.
세 명이에요.
We are four.
네 명이에요.
We are five.
다섯 명이에요.
We are six.
여섯 명이에요.
If you cannot remember the expression, just use your fingers like the picture. If you go to the Korean barbecue restaurant, you need to order how many servings you want to eat. Serving in Korean.
인분.
3 servings, please.
3인분 주세요.
There is a quantity written next to the meat menu. One serving is 180 grams. The amount varies depending on the restaurant. One serving, please.
1인분 주세요.
2 servings, please.
2인분 주세요.
3 servings, please.
3인분 주세요.
4 servings, please.
4인분 주세요.
You do not have to order a lot from the beginning. You can order in the middle of eating. Here is a tip. If you are two members for the first time at least, you can order 2 or 3 servings. Normally your bill is on the table in Korea. If you cannot find it, you can ask, "Bill, please."
계산서 주세요.
In Korea, we pay in front of the entrance mostly, not in your seat. When you finish your meal, you go to in front of the counter to pay. If there is no one, you can ask, "Check, please."
계산해 주세요.
계산해 주세요.
계산해 주세요.
Some restaurants in Korea offer self-service for water or side dishes. Remember this word.
셀프,
It's self-service.
셀프입니다.
Water is self-service.
물은 셀프,
Side dishes are self-service here.
반찬은 셀프.
Now we are ready to practice. Repeat after me 3 times.
말하기 연습을 해볼까요? 3번 따라하세요.
Hello, how many in your party?
어서 오세요. 몇 분이세요?
Hello, how many in your party?
어서 오세요. 몇 분이세요?
Hello, how many in your party?
어서 오세요. 몇 분이세요?
We are 2.
2명이에요.
We are 2.
2명이에요.
We are 2.
2명이에요.
Please have a seat wherever you want.
편한 곳에 앉으세요.
Please have a seat wherever you want.
편한 곳에 앉으세요.
Please have a seat wherever you want.
편한 곳에 앉으세요.
What do you want to eat?
뭐 먹고 싶어요?
What do you want to eat?
뭐 먹고 싶어요?
What do you want to eat?
뭐 먹고 싶어요?
Shall we eat pork belly?
우리 삼겹살 먹을까요?
Shall we eat pork belly?
우리 삼겹살 먹을까요?
Shall we eat pork belly?
우리 삼겹살 먹을까요?
Yes, shall we order?
네, 주문할까요?
Yes, shall we order?
네, 주문할까요?
Yes, shall we order?
네, 주문할까요?
Here, I would like to order.
여기요. 주문할게요.
Here, I would like to order.
여기요. 주문할게요.
Here, I would like to order.
여기요. 주문할게요.
Yes, may I take your order?
네, 주문하시겠어요?
Yes, may I take your order?
네, 주문하시겠어요?
Yes, may I take your order?
네, 주문하시겠어요?
Yes, may I take your order?
네, 뭐 드릴까요?
Yes, may I take your order?
네, 뭐 드릴까요?
Yes, may I take your order?
네, 뭐 드릴까요?
Please give me this.
이거 주세요.
Please give me this.
이거 주세요.
Please give me this.
이거 주세요.
How many servings would you like?
몇 인분 드릴까요?
How many servings would you like?
몇 인분 드릴까요?
How many servings would you like?
몇 인분 드릴까요?
3 servings, please.
3인분 주세요.
3 servings, please.
3인분 주세요.
3 servings, please.
3인분 주세요.
What about drinks?
음료수는요?
What about drinks?
음료수는요?
What about drinks?
음료수는요?
Please give me this.
이거 주세요.
Please give me this.
이거 주세요.
Please give me this.
이거 주세요.
Okay.
네, 알겠습니다.
Okay,
네, 알겠습니다.
okay.
네, 알겠습니다.
Is it spicy? I can't eat spicy food.
이거 매워요. 저는 매운 음식을 못 먹어요.
Is it spicy? I can't eat spicy food.
이거 매워요. 저는 매운 음식을 못 먹어요.
Is it spicy? I can't eat spicy food.
이거 매워요. 저는 매운 음식을 못 먹어요.
It's a little spicy.
네, 조금 매워요.
It's a little spicy.
네, 조금 매워요.
It's a little spicy.
네, 조금 매워요.
It's spicy.
네, 많이 매워요.
It's spicy.
네, 많이 매워요.
It's spicy.
네, 많이 매워요.
No, it's not spicy.
아니요, 안 매워요.
No, it's not spicy.
아니요, 안 매워요.
No, it's not spicy.
아니요, 안 매워요.
Enjoy your meal.
맛있게 드세요.
Enjoy your meal.
맛있게 드세요.
Enjoy your meal.
맛있게 드세요.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
How can we eat this?
어떻게 먹어요?
How can we eat this?
어떻게 먹어요?
How can we eat this?
어떻게 먹어요?
Please give me the s'more.
이거 더 주세요.
Please give me the s'more.
이거 더 주세요.
Please give me the s'more.
이거 더 주세요.
Yes, I'll give you more.
네, 더 드릴게요.
Yes, I'll give you more.
네, 더 드릴게요.
Yes, I'll give you more.
네, 더 드릴게요.
Where's the restroom?
화장실이 어디에 있어요?
Where's the restroom?
화장실이 어디에 있어요?
Where's the restroom?
화장실이 어디에 있어요?
It's over there.
저기에 있어요.
It's over there.
저기에 있어요.
It's over there.
저기에 있어요.
Bill, please.
계산서 주세요.
Bill, please.
계산서 주세요.
Bill, please.
계산서 주세요.